This is Brittany with WTI, and let's depuff that face. This ice roller is such a lifesaver. Oh, it feels so good to, especially in the morning, just like help depuff your face, just in your eyes, just roll it right on, and it feels so good. It also really is nice for if you have a headache or pressure or tension in your head. I find that it's very helpful for that as well. Oh, it feels so good, and I can just like instantly feel my face swelling coming down. I keep this part in my freezer, and then you just slide it. It has the little indentions on it, and right on those, you just slide it right back in, and it pops right in. The ultimate self-care. Everyone's all about self-care these days, and this ice roller is your ticket to the self-care highway, let me tell you. Anyway, I highly recommend this ice roller. It's so smooth on your skin. Like, it is completely seamless, and so it just feels like this super smooth, ice cold magic that just makes you instantly feel so much better. One of the blessings for the day. And that's my point of view.